Welcome to Matrix. My name is Joanna and I work at the Innovation Space. We have created an online environment that looks like Matrix. All of the events of the day will take place here. You can freely walk around and access all of the rooms as if you were in Matrix in real life. There are some things that you need to know about Gather.town. In Gather.town, you can walk around with the arrow keys on your keyboard. You will be able to talk to people when you are close enough to a person. Hi, Lisa. You can also use the chat to talk to people. So in this case, I want to talk to Lisa, for example. Hello. Nice. Let's close the chat. The schedule of the day can be found on different screens around the environment. Alright, so let's get close to the general schedule. Let's press X to check it. I would like to go to the faculty community session, for example. It will be held at 2:30 and the room is the event area. The color is blue. Okay, so now we close it by pressing X. Alright, so in order to go to the event area, we have to follow the blue line. So let's do so. Here we are, great. If you don't remember the schedule, you can always check it inside of the rooms themselves. Press X. Here you can see it. If you want to take a shortcut to another room, you simply have to walk towards one of the teleportation areas. Let's go to light assembly. Okay, nice. So we have landed in the light assembly. And light assembly is a special area because it is a private area. And how do I know this? Because when I exit it, there is a change in color. Also, there is a pop-up message that indicates so. If you want to know where you are at, you can always check the minimap. So here we are. There are also multiple maps located around the space. See, we press X, and here you can see where we are. If you have any questions, please go to the service desk. There is another service desk at the ground floor. We will be happy to help you and we wish you a nice innoExperience.